It has been a long time since GPU prices have come down, so this is the best time to buy a pre-built PC. They have come down a bit, but they are not quite yet to the MSRP. So in this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 pre-built PCs that you can buy for gaming as well as for workloads and your offices, so you can do a little bit of Photoshop and casual gaming. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Coming at number 1, we have a PC from iBuyPower. So the PC has to offer you the AMD FX 8320, which is clocked at 3.6 GHz, can be turbo boosted up to 4 GHz, and has 8 cores, which is pretty good as it can be paired up with the GT730 that is already present in this package, which is a 2 GB GDDR5 graphics card to get some casual gaming on medium to low settings, along with heavy video editing and photo editing if you are a content creator or a Twitter or Instagram celebrity. So other than that, the PC has to offer you 8 GB of DDR3 RAM, 2TB of hard drive, and the best thing, Windows 10 Pro pre-installed, which is pretty good at this price point as this PC only costs about $550, which is the best bang for your buck that you can buy right now. Coming at number 2, we have the good old PC from Dell, which is the Optilex 7010 Business Desktop, which has a pretty good reputation as it is mainly known for workstations and office work, along with some photo editing and video editing. But if you want to do light gaming like CSGO, Overwatch, mainly the esport titles, you can do it with the onboard Intel HD graphics along with the i5 3570, which is clocked at 3.6 GHz. Other than that, the PC has 8 GB of DDR3 RAM along with 2TB hard drives with Windows 10 Professional pre-installed, which I think is a pretty good deal according to the price, which is about $340. So I can consider this as the best bang for your buck PC workstation for casual gaming and photo editing, video editing, and along with office work. The last PC on our list is the HP Pavillion Power, which is a really good desktop PC as it is paired up with the i5 7400, which is a 6-core 6-thread processor based at 2.8 GHz along with the GTX 1060 3GB version with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and 1TB hard drive along with Windows 10 Home pre-installed, which is a pretty good deal at this price point, which is about $725, and you can really get this PC and won't regret buying this because this can provide you 1080p at a rate of 60 FPS on every game, and you can even enter the 1440p mark with this PC as it has GTX 1060 and the i5 7400, which both are really good for gaming and ultra workloads. So overall, this is the best PC on this list and the best bang for your buck, as if you take these parts separately, this would cost you about $800 to $850, which is a little bit over $700. So you're saving about $100 to $120 on this PC. So those were the 3 best pre-built PCs that I think you should buy if you are really on a tight budget or you don't want to waste your money, but at the same time you want to get the best performance. So as always, if you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you really loved the video, please smash the subscribe button down below and click on the post notification button so you can never miss a video from my channel. And that was all for today's video. I hope you had a great time watching the video, and as always, my name is Amaros and I will see you in the next one.